Good day guys and welcome. In this one I'm showing you how to move your taskbar on Windows 11 to the top. So method number one is by using the Windows settings. But for that you will have to be on one of the latest builds. So what I recommend, go to Home, click on Device Info right here, and make sure that you are at least on this build, okay? Otherwise it won't work. You won't be able to even locate that settings. So when you do have that update, you just go ahead and right click on the taskbar, go to taskbar settings, then expand taskbar behaviors, and in here you should have a alignment for the taskbar. Not this one, this is not it. So as you can see, for me it's missing, so I guess they're still rolling this feature out, but you will be able to look for the taskbar position here and select top from the drop-down menu. Now, if that's missing for you guys, you can use this pretty awesome app called Windhoek and go to Explore and then search for taskbar on top, for example. And as you can see, there you go. You go to this, to details, and there you just install this. I won't do it because I don't want to mess up my layout. You just install it right here, and there you go, just like it's shown on the screenshot. Expand this for you guys. You will have your taskbar open, located right on top here. So that's it. Enjoy guys. If this helped, subscribe.